Hello, Gareth here, watercolor landscape artist, and in this video we're going to paint this scene. Just a minute. Here we go. Ta-da! So this is a real place called Kuju, and Kuju is a national park in Oita prefecture, Japan. So I went here about 2 or 3 years ago and I saw this beautiful scene and I painted it, and I was very happy with the result. But sometimes, well, for me, I sometimes want to paint a very beautiful place again. So this is a time-lapse video and I hope you enjoy it. And if you want to learn to paint this scene, then please follow the link at the end. Okay, please enjoy.